The third wave shows no sign of slowing down. Latest Public Health England data shows cases continue to be at their highest in people in their 20s, with a case rate of 1,155 cases per 100,000 people over the last 7 days. That is the highest ever recorded for any age group. With more cases, there are bound to be more contacts, and that shows in new data. A little over 223,000 people who tested positive in England were chased up by Test and Trace to provide their contacts in the week to July the 14th. That's the highest number since the 20th of January. But only 85.6% of them could be reached, the lowest since the end of last October. More than 475,000 of their close contacts were identified, the highest since January the 20th. But only 90% were reached and told to self-isolate. It's clear evidence that cases and contacts are slipping through the net as the epidemic picks up speed. Potential contacts are also identified through the COVID app, and weekly figures from the NHS show just under 619,000 people in England and Wales were pinged in the week to July the 14th. That's up from 521,000 the week before, a rise of almost 17%. Analysis by Sky News shows that pings are increasing in line with cases, suggesting it works as expected. But the app is also disrupting critical businesses. So is it still worth it? When it was first launched last year, 6% of people who were pinged went on to develop symptoms. In 3 months, it prevented almost 600,000 cases. But that was before the vaccine. Now, more than 69% of adults are double jabbed. And after 2 doses, the Pfizer jab is 88% effective at preventing symptomatic disease, the AstraZeneca vaccine a little less. So fully jabbed people who are pinged are much less likely to develop COVID. And from August the 16th, people who've had both doses will no longer need to isolate if they're pinged, if they test negative. But the value of the app is already lower than it was, and it's getting lower as more people are double jabbed. And with public confidence waning, the government's determination to stick to the date will come under increasing pressure.